first time I saw you, I figured you were champion. A woman of valor, integrity. But you seem intent on proving me wrong. Githyanki are impressive. Cold as ice when they're not blazing hot. I wager Lae'zel's no exception. Anger. I understand. We've been preyed on by Illithids, suffered insertion of a mind-bending worm. Bloodthirst is another matter. But perhaps not too big of one, if it's a devil or demon's flesh you're wanting to tear.